4. Determine if the following ratios form a proportion. Also, write the middle terms and extreme terms where the ratios form a proportion. So students, here we have to determine whether the following are proportion or not. For that we have to find two ratios are equal or not. And we also have to find middle terms and extreme terms where the ratios form a proportion. So let us solve answers of the given question. A. 25 centimeter is to 1 meter and rupees 40 is to rupees 160. Now students, here you can observe one thing, that there are two different units, centimeter and meter. So we will not able to solve with different units. We have to make same metric units. Therefore, we will make this 1 meter to centimeter. So students, we know 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Therefore, we will write 25 centimeter is to 100 centimeter. That is equals to 25 upon 100. So 25 upon 100. Now we have to find lowest term of this fraction. 25 ones are and 25 fours are. That is equals to 1 upon 4. Next is rupees 40 is to rupees 160. So students, we will write rupees 40 is to rupees 160. That is equals to 40 upon 160. So if we will cancel 0, 0, last digits is 0, then only we can cancel it. Now 4 upon 16, that is 4 ones are and 4 fours are. So 1 upon 4. Hence we can observe that there are two fractions same of both the ratios. Hence the ratios are in proportion or not proportion? They are in proportion because their fractions are same. Now students, you can observe these fractions are equal. So we will write, since the ratios are equal, now these ratios are equal. So therefore, these are in proportions. These are in proportions. Since these ratios are equal, therefore, these are in proportions. Now, one more thing is asked in question to find middle terms and extreme terms. Middle terms means what? 1 meter and rupees 40 are middle terms, and extreme terms means 25 centimeter and rupees 160. These are extreme terms. So, we will write middle terms are 1 meter and rupees 40, and extreme terms. So extreme terms, what are the extreme terms? Extreme terms are what? 25 centimeter and rupees 160. Question number B. 39 liters is to 65 liters and 6 bottles is to 10 bottles. So, first of all, which ratio is given? 39 liters is to 65 liters. So, that is equals to what? 39 upon 65. Now, 39 and 65 we will find in lowest term, that is 13 threes are and 13 fives are. That is equals to 3 upon 5. Similarly, it is given 6 bottles is to 10 bottles. Now, how many bottles are given first? 6 upon 10. We will find lowest term of this fraction. 2 threes are and 2 fives are. So, that is equals to 3 upon 5. So, what you can observe, both fractions are equal. Hence, these ratios are in proportion. So, we will write, since the ratios are equal, because their fractions were equal. So, since the ratios are equal, therefore, these are in proportions. Therefore, these are in proportions. Now we also have to find middle terms and extreme terms. So what are middle terms here in these questions? Middle terms are 65 liters and 6 bottles. So middle terms are 65 liters, 6 bottles. So these are middle terms. Now what else we have to find? Extreme terms. So what are extreme terms? Extreme terms are 39 liters and 10 bottles. So these are extreme terms. Number C. 2 kg is to 80 kg and 25 gram is to 625 gram. So here both metric units are same, hence we can solve these ratios. So first one is 2 kg is to 80 kg. 2 kg is to 80 kg equals to 2 upon 80. Now we will find lowest term of this fraction. 2 ones are and 2 40s are, that is equals to 1 upon 40. And here it is 25 gram is to 625 gram. That is equals to 25 upon 625. Now we have to solve this in lowest term of fraction. 25 ones are and 25 25s are. So that is equals to 1 upon 25. Now what you can observe in these two fractions? Are they equal or not? They are not equal. So these are not in proportion. Since the ratios are not equal, therefore these are not in a proportion. These are not in a proportion. They are not in a proportion because their ratios are not equal. Hence, we will not find middle term and extreme terms. Number D. 200 milliliter is to 2.5 liter and rupees 4 is to rupees 50. So, first ratio is given 200 milliliter is to 2.5 liter. Now what can you observe in this? There are different metric units. So we have to make same metric units. We will convert this 2.5 liter to milliliter. Students, we know that 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. So 2.5 liter equals to how many milliliter? 2.5 multiplied by 1000, that is equals to 2500 milliliter. So we get now the same metric units. Hence we have to find ratio of 200 milliliter is to 2500 milliliter. That is equals to 200 upon 2500. Now 200 upon 2500 we will do, then 0 is cancelled and 2 upon 25 is left. 0 we will cancel. So what is left? 2 upon 25. Now next ratios are rupees 4 is to rupees 50. That is equals to 4 upon 50. Now we have to make this in lowest term. 2 2s are and 2 25s are. So that is equals to 2 upon 25. So here you can observe both the fractions are same. Hence these are in proportions. So we will write, since the ratios are equal, therefore, since the ratios are equal, therefore, these are in proportions. Now, as these are in proportion, we have to find what? Middle term. Middle term is what here? Middle terms are middle terms are what here? 2.5 liter, rupees 4. So middle terms are 2.5 liter, rupees 4. And extreme terms are what here? Extreme terms are, what are extreme terms? 200 milliliter and rupees 50. So these are extreme terms. Thank you.